My name is Margaret Perez. I'm original from Venezuela and I live in Miami, Florida. Well, my current job I work in Deloitte Tax. Deloitte Tax is an accounting firm, one of the big ones. And I work in what is international tax, and especially in transfer pricing. It's a very specific area. I work a lot, and I'm done. I need a change. I need I'm in a really good position, but I don't see myself doing what I'm doing currently in the future. So I decided I need a change. I need a new life. So I'm investing in clever investors. Yeah. Yes, it's not only my life. The time free is love what I'm doing. I used to love what I used to do, or what I'm doing, but I'd rather do something different, because what I'm doing, I do it for big corporation. My clients are like Fortune 100, 500, right, companies. So I do business with big companies, and when we talk about millions, it's like nobody cares. Nobody doesn't hurt anybody, only to the shareholder, and we never know who their shareholder are. So I think I need a change in my life in something that is more for me, and for that I feel that I can really give value in some way. No doubt that it's very encouraging, the whole process. I don't want to deny that has been like a kind of overwhelming, all the information that I have been receiving, but it's good to have like a lot of people behind me, like the full team. Like I'm receiving calls all the time saying like, how are you? How is everything going? Like, oh my gosh, I don't know. It's like I have my mentors. Everybody has been so kind, giving a lot of material. I don't deny I'm completely paralyzed in many ways. Like in things like I don't know exactly what I'm doing, but I know that I'm gonna do it. But I'm kind of scared. I'm very scared. In case in my mentor, I decided to join Clever Investor when I was doing those videos. I was trying to find the way to how I can redesign my life, and doing internet research and found Clever Investor. Maybe some of those webcasts that was already recorded, and I saw one of those, and I said, I'm gonna try with this. The investment at that point was not that big, like less than around 500. So, but then I did most of the videos, all the training. And the funny thing was like when I almost at the end, I said, I'm not able to do this by myself. I need somebody that really tell me exactly how to do it, because it's like the material in per se is not that complicated. It's like if you follow the step, it's very straightforward, very clear. And if you watch it again and again, you're gonna get the information that you need. But it's not about the content; it's about the push. Yeah. That push that you need, like that little kick. That's like hey, you have to do this, and you have to make the calls. Like my mentor said, like, have you done with your 50 calls? Like, I'm on my way. And that is probably what I need. I knew that I need that. So that's why I decided to have a mentor. Otherwise, I know that this new journey for me would be more difficult than it already is. And not only my mentor, that is key, but he and all the others, the whole team. It's like they're always on top of me, like, how are you? How is everything? Like, did you watch the video? Like, have you noticed all the videos that I have to see? All the watch, like, I don't know, I don't have the time, because I still have a full-time job. And yes, I'm doing so after my job, full-time jobs, like I just arrive home and start watching videos or doing whatever I have to do. Or maybe calls, calls I set up like a couple of hours during the day. Like I'm gonna do it, let's say between 11 to 12. I usually don't do it. Yeah. I'm just procrastinated because my own fears. So that's why I'm not doing it all the time. So I know that I have to do it. And my mentor is like a kind of a very friendly, even like a dad. So it's very nice to hear well, it's fine if you haven't done that, but you have to do it. Let's try something else. Let's encourage me to, okay, you have to do it, but well, let's find something else. Let's do something different. We are trying. It's a work in progress, but I like that he's there. And if I have a question, I can send him an email, and he maybe next day or even the same day he respond to me. So I have an answer for him anytime soon. As working in a corporate, I'm very scheduled, so I have a very square mind, in some angle, from some angle. So I have everything kind of planned. So why investment or why real estate? The answer could be very vague even for me, because it's I just did a research, I put in Google what I should do. And pretty much I don't know, maybe somebody told me the tarot, the fortune letters or something like that. I don't know the answer. But doing research has maybe took me to that direction. And then in Miami, there are a lot of immigrants currently from Venezuela, very high qualified people, maybe engineers, civil engineers, that they don't have jobs. And so I'm very fortunate that I have all my legal status, so I can work and can do a lot of stuff here. So I'm thinking maybe another alternative. What if I start doing fix and flip? Fix and flips, and hire all these high qualified people that can do that for me, that they're engineers instead of just doing some kind of handyman, and maybe it will be better, so I can help them and I can help me. So I started doing that kind of brainstorming and in myself, and I said well, let's start doing this. And I was talking with my brother. My brother used to do that in Venezuela, and he said, well, yeah, why not? It sounds good. So I started doing more research, and then doing my research, how to do it, I found out about wholesaling. Concept completely new for me. It's wholesaling, that is the only thing that I know is Costco or something like that. That type of wholesaling in the supply chain. But then I don't know what is this in this type of business. So I started making a lot more research, and in I don't know much about this business, so it's when I get more and more. So this decision is to move forward to have my own job dedicated to this, leave my current job, and have this as my full job. That is my plan. So I'm doing the transition. So I'm closing most of my projects in my current job, and my plan is move forward to what I want to do, that is this. And so I feel that they're gonna make better impact in my life and the people that is around me. That is the current job that I have. So that is why I got involved in this. That is my plan for my current job. So probably by the end of the year, before earlier, my plan is quit my current job. So I hope by the end I have at least one or two. Well, my ideal is 2 or 3. Well, less than 5. I wholesaling, so I can feel a little bit comfortable what I'm doing. Of course, if I talk with my friend and family, they're gonna say you should hold it. You don't quit your job yet, because I have a really good position. So, but sometimes we need to take risk. This is a really safe position for me, and because I have to procrastinate in this change in my life, I stay here because it's safe. But sometimes taking risks is not that bad, and I'm considering myself a risky person, so why not? I would say take the risk. Definitely I decide to do it with people that know, and what I have seen so far is very successful business, and why those that have tried, I'm very happy with the results. So why not? Give a chance. It's not a big. Sometimes it could be a big investment for somebody, but if the result is positive at the end, sometimes it's just an investment. it's not cost. No, it's not like you're losing money. No, you are investing, and no, nothing better than invest in yourself.